In Kotlin, operators are symbols or keywords that are used to perform operations on data, such as arithmetic operations, comparison operations, and logical operations. Kotlin provides a wide range of operators to manipulate and work with different data types. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical calculations on numeric values in Kotlin. The logical operators are used to perform logical operations on Boolean values. The assignment operators are used to assign values to variables, while the relational operators are used to compare values in Kotlin. Now let's move to the Android Studio and start using these operators. I'll start with the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical calculations on numeric values. For that, I'll create a variable result. It's of type int equals to 5 plus 3. And I'll print the value of result. Let me run the program. And here we go. 5 plus 3 is 8. So the first arithmetic operator is the addition, the plus sign. The second operator is the subtraction. This operator will subtract the right operand from the left operand. Run the program and the result equals to 2. The third operator is the multiplication, which is the asterisk in this case. Multiplies two numbers. Run the program and the result equals to 50. The fourth operator is the division. I'll divide 6 over 3. It divides the left operand by the right operand. If both operands are integers, the result will be an integer. Run and the result equals to 2. The new operator I'll introduce is the modulus. The modulus returns the remainder of the division between two numbers. For example, 6 divided by 3 equals to 2, but there is no remainder. If we run the program, it will give us that the result equals to 0. But if I divide 7 over 3, we have the quotient is equal to 2 plus the remainder equal to 1. So here in this case, the remainder will be 1. So 7 divided by 3 equals to 2. 2 times 3 equals to 6 plus remainder equals to 1. 1 plus 6 equals to 7. This is the modulus operator. Now let's move to the logical operators. Logical operators are used to perform logical operations on Boolean values in Kotlin. This includes and, or, not. Let's start with the logical operator. I'll create val result. It's of type Boolean. You can omit this part because Kotlin will detect its type according to the value. Here I'll set it to true and true. True and true equals to true. Here, result 2. I'll name it as result 2 and I'll cut this and paste it to here, result 2. And here I am checking the result 2 value. Let me run and the result equals to true. So true and true equals to true. Let me check with false. Run. True and false equals to false. Let me check or operator. Returns true if at least one operand is true. Let me run and the result equals to true. So the logical AND operator returns true if both operands are true. OR operator returns true if at least one operand is true. And the logical NOT operator negates the value of the operand. For example, here I can get rid of Boolean. I'll set not true. So not true, false. Let me run and the result equals to false. So this is the negation operator that negates the value of the operand.